Hey G leaders, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into a powerful problem-solving technique that's remarkably simple yet incredibly effective, the 5 whys. So, what exactly are the 5 whys? It's a method developed by Sakichi Toyoda for the Toyota Motor Corporation, focusing on root cause analysis. Instead of just fixing the symptom of a problem, the 5 whys pushes us to dig deeper, asking why repeatedly until we uncover the fundamental cause. Think of it like this. Your car won't start. You could just jump start it, but that doesn't tell you why it wouldn't start in the first place. Was it a dead battery? A faulty alternator? A broken starter motor? The 5 whys helps us identify the actual underlying issue. It's called 5 whys, not because you always ask exactly 5 times, but because 5 iterations are usually sufficient to get to the root cause. Sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 7, but the principle is the same. Keep asking why until you can't go any deeper, or until you've identified a process or system failure that, if corrected, will prevent the problem from recurring. Remember, there are always 2 root causes to a problem. First is the technical root cause, which is the physical or tangible reason causing the problem. Second is the business process root cause, which refers to the presence or absence in the business process or way of working that enables this problem to occur. It's a fantastic tool for anyone, but especially valuable in areas such as manufacturing, product development, and personal productivity. As someone with a background in quality assurance, I can tell you that this method is essential for continuous improvement. So how do we apply this? It's straightforward, but requires discipline. First, state the problem clearly. This is crucial. Be specific about the issue you're trying to solve. Don't be vague. Then ask why. For the stated problem, ask why did this happen? Identify the answer, jot down the answer. Ask why. Again, for the answer you just identified, ask why did that happen? Repeat. Continue this process, asking why to the answer of the previous why, until you reach the root cause. This root cause is usually a broken process, a missing procedure, a training gap, or a systemic issue, rather than just an individual mistake. Develop a solution. Once you have the root cause, you can implement a sustainable solution to prevent the problem from recurring. A few tips for success. Focus on process, not people. The goal is to find system failures, not to assign blame. Be objective. Stick to facts and evidence. Involve others. Often, the best root cause analysis is conducted with a team that has different perspectives. Don't stop too early. Resist the urge to settle for the first obvious answer. Let's walk through a real-world example, something you might encounter in a manufacturing setting, which is near and dear to my own experience as a product engineer. Problem. Our latest batch of electronic components has a higher than usual defect rate, specifically in the form of soldering joint failures. First, why? Why are the soldering joints failing? Answer. The solder paste is not adhering correctly to the circuit boards. Second, why? Why is the solder paste not adhering correctly? Answer. The boards are not consistently clean before the solder paste is applied. There's residue on some of them. Third, why? Why are the boards not consistently clean? Answer. The automated cleaning machine sometimes skips boards or fails to clean them thoroughly. Fourth, why? Why is the automated cleaning machine skipping boards or not cleaning thoroughly? Answer. The machine's maintenance schedule was extended, and the cleaning nozzles are clogging faster than anticipated, resulting in inconsistent cleaning. Additionally, the sensors that detect board presence sometimes malfunction. Fifth, why? Why was the maintenance schedule extended, and why are the sensors misfiring? Answer. The maintenance schedule was extended to reduce downtime and cut costs, without a thorough review of the impact on cleaning effectiveness. Furthermore, the sensors being used were not robust enough for the dusty environment, and there was no proactive monitoring system in place to detect their degradation. Now, look at that last answer. It's not Joe forgot to clean the boards. It's a systemic issue. A poor decision regarding maintenance schedules, and inadequate environmental consideration for the equipment. Technical root cause identified. The extended maintenance schedule for the cleaning machine, combined with the use of unsuitable, unmonitored sensors, led to inconsistent board cleanliness, resulting in solder paste adhesion issues and ultimately defective components. Business process root cause. The company allowed poor decision-making, inadequate maintenance schedules, and insufficient environmental consideration for the equipment. Technical root cause solution. Revert to the original, more frequent maintenance schedule for the cleaning machine, or even increase its frequency based on real-time performance monitoring. Replace the current sensors with more robust industrial-grade sensors suitable for the environment. Implement a system for real-time monitoring of cleaning machine performance and sensor health, triggering alerts for proactive maintenance. Review and refine change management procedures to ensure cost-cutting measures do not negatively impact product quality without proper validation. Business process solution. Review and decide on an extended maintenance schedule only after conducting robust checks and reviewing the data to justify the extension. Key stakeholders and area owners should choose it. See how powerful that is. By digging just 5 layers deep, we transition from a surface-level problem, bad solder joints, to a systemic root cause, inadequate maintenance planning, and unsuitable equipment for the environment. The benefits of using the 5 whys are immense. Sustainable solutions. You fix the problem permanently, not just temporarily. Process improvement. It highlights flaws in your processes and systems. Cost savings. Preventing recurring problems saves time, money, and resources. Empowerment. It encourages critical thinking and problem solving at all levels. It's a deceptively simple tool that can yield profound results. Whether you're troubleshooting a manufacturing defect, trying to understand why a project deadline was missed, or even figuring out why you're always late for work, the 5 whys can help you uncover the true underlying issues. I encourage you to try this out the next time you face a recurring problem. You might be surprised at what you uncover. Please let me know in the comments below if you've used the 5 whys before and what your experience was like. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quality content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Go ahead and lead with Gemba.